Hey folks, today we are out on Highway 141 and we are on going out of Big Gypsum Valley where we just did about a 60-mile interior dirt road run. Anyway, right now we're leaving that road. I can't remember the name of it right off the top of my head, but it's basically the boat landing road of all things in the middle of a desert, right? The Dolores River Boat Landing is there, and that is the one that is on the southern side. And it does not lead you to bedrock, like I had presumed. But anyway, we're crossing Big Gypsum Valley. Now we're probably in the Disappointment Valley region. This is an area where a lot of riders come through here. Straight through. There's a lot of pronghorn and deer through here. You got to be careful. It's quick travel. It's easy travel. We're heading into Naturita. Right here, we're just into a little bit of a VSS error. Only takes a second for it to clear up, and then you restart and go. But it's something I got to get into the dealer and get looked at. We're going into the Dry Creek region. And we just came out of the Dry Creek Basin, and this weaves its way past the Broad Valley entrance for the dump. And this is still Highway 141. I don't know the mile marker here, but we're almost to Broad Valley. Anyway, we skirt through here. This run is about 45 miles into town. Some fantastic scenery through here, but this isn't the premier one that I'm still constructing, but I wanted to get something up tonight. We just passed the Broad Valley entrance where our dump is located, basically. And we are enjoying an 85-degree day in this ride, so it's just beautiful out. Passing the old vanadium mine and a friend of mine's property. And then we go up past the Reams's mines, which are active, down into the junction with 145. And now 145 and 141 are one, or however you want to look at it. 141 goes all the way to Whitewater. We're going through the valleys outside of Naturita, coming into the valley itself, where Naturita is located, crossing Naturita Creek, passing the Mormon Church, into the eastern entrance of town, down through Main Street, and we eventually pull in a dollar store where we mistakenly forgot